IT jobs used to be a dream job of millions of Indians, but obvious reason था कि secure थे, stable थे and high paying jobs थे IT sector में. But with the major layoff, with the companies like TCS, Infosys, Wipro या फिर global giants like Google and Microsoft, the question remains is क्या IT जॉब अभी भी एक अच्छा करियर ऑप्शन है फॉर Gen Zs और AI is taking over everything? इन दिस वीडियो आई एक्सप्लेन कि भाई जो ये ले ऑफ हो रहे हैं आईटी इंडस्ट्री में उसका रीजन क्या है, एक फ्यूचर प्रूफ सिक्योर करियर इन आईटी इंडस्ट्री आप कैसे बना सकते हो, एंड थर्ड, व्हेन एआई इज चेंजिंग द गेम, हाउ यू कैन स्टे रेलेवेंट. सो गाइज, इफ यू वांट टू मेक योर करियर इन द आईटी industry, make sure that you watch the video till the end. I'll also tell you which are the courses and the specialization that you should opt, which will give you a better career prospect. Hi guys, this is Pooja Gupta. Welcome back to Media Mentor. If you're here on my channel for the first time, I make a lot of informative videos for students, so please do subscribe. So first we need to understand why are these major companies laying off. Let me quote some articles from the newspapers. The first is big layoffs in IT. Over 20,000 employees lost job in last 6 months. This is in economics time. TCS and Infosys freeze hiring. Shift focus to AI automation. This is from Business Standards. So what's happening here? Many AI jobs like software testing, data entry, and back-end coding is replaced by AI automation. So अगर आप base level job देख रहे हो, वो completely AI replace कर देगा. Definitely, इससे ये समझ में आता है that companies are doing cost cutting, which means they are using AI over investing in humans. And as you know, due to the global economic slowdown, there are fewer IT projects, which means companies don't want to invest in hiring freshers. They are trying to get their job done with AI and automation. So does it mean IT jobs are gone forever? No, guys, you need to understand that job market is evolving and you need to evolve with it. Now comes the most important part for all the Gen Zs out there who needs a future-proof plan, a roadmap to make your career in IT industry, which AI can't replace. The real problem is not the job losses. The real problem is कि जो IT sector में skill set चाहिए वो आपको acquire करना है, because AI will definitely make the human intervention less. मतलब जो monotony jobs है वो तो निकल ही जाने वाली है, but आपको relevant रहने के लिए ऐसी कौन से specialization करने हैं, that I'm gonna talk about. So guys, as I said, watch the video till the end, because जब आप कोई भी IT degree pickup करोगे, there are few specialization which gonna stay relevant in the market that I'm gonna talk about. So let's talk about 5 IT career path which is high demand in 2025 and it gonna increase in future. First is AI and machine learning engineering. Be the one who designs AI, not the one getting replaced by it. Second, cybersecurity expert. As you know, hacking is increasing. There are a lot of online frauds happening. So every company will require cybersecurity expert. Third is cloud computing and DevOps. As you know, everything is moving online. So yes, cloud engineering gonna be in huge demand in future. Next is full stack developer. Now AI can do coding, but can't replace developers' problem-solving skill. For that, full stack development will stay relevant. And the fifth one is project management and consulting. कितना भी AI का use हो जाए, at the end of the day, human expertise will be required in the companies to run the AI. So these 5 specialization, अगर आप IT में अपना career बनाना चाहते हो या कोई भी course choose करना चाहते हो, make sure that you focus on these 5 areas so that you stay relevant. And if you are still confused, आपको कुछ नहीं समझ में आ रहा कि कौन सा कोर्स लेना चाहिए, कौन से कॉलेज में पढ़ाई करना चाहिए, you can get in touch with me for one-on-one personal counseling session. You can contact us on this WhatsApp number. My team will share the details with you. Now let me give you some extra tips. जब आप IT में अपना करियर बना रहे हो, सिर्फ कोडिंग सीख के कुछ नहीं होने वाला है. You need to learn problem solving skills. Make sure that you have industry relevant skills and certification that is required, such as AI, cloud, cyber security, blockchain, जिसमें भी आपका इंटरेस्ट हो. And certification like AWS, ethical hacking, data science, Google Cloud will definitely help. And you being in the tech industry, you know it's evolving like anything. So you have to evolve with it. If you become stagnant, then it's equal to job losses. So you have to stay relevant by upgrading your skill as in when required and evolve with the technology. So in the end, guys, I would just like to say that IT industry is not dying, it's just evolving. So stay relevant. आप definitely एक अच्छा career बना पाओगे IT industry में. I hope, guys, the video was informative. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for a lot of such informative videos on Media Mentor. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.